today is our second from last day in Madrid. It's kind of like, I don't know how to explain, but like don't want to leave.
Yeah, we had so much fun, right?
Yeah.
We really like it. We always enjoy the trip, and when the time comes that we have to go back, we kind of it's over.
Yeah, it's like I cry in the night and I didn't told you guys.
You don't have to cry, we had a good time.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so let's see what today have for us, okay?
Okay. We're going to the cable car, right?
Yes.
But we have to take the metro first.
Yes.
Metro.
Yep.
Down the arch. It looks like the arch. Remember that day?
Yeah, the Victory Arch.
The day that we missed the train.
Yeah. Yeah, a little bit similar. Like in European, they always have arch. Okay, so we already start our Madrid tour for this last day.
Look, the palace, the nice garden. I think it's the palace that we visit that day, right?
Yes, it is. So this is a very big and beautiful garden. Let's go down to see the garden.
We're gonna walk to that palace.
Yep. Let's go.
Yeah.
You lead the way.
太远。
We already got closer, but we are going like that because I think the exit there is closed. Helicopter. Is that? I think in the morning I saw that in the TV, like it's saw, and then Madrid tonight. I saw in the TV at breakfast. But anyway, let's focus on it now. It looks kind of like Buckingham Palace.
Sort of, you know, they are both like European style palace with garden. This is how European style palace have, you know. But this is not the garden of the palace. This is the garden of like public garden, but you know, next to the palace. So yeah, people in the garden get a good view of the palace, and people in the palace get a good view of the garden too.
Yeah.
So pretty nice.
Now, this is the Rose Garden, and over there, as you can see, it's the Rose Garden. We are using the Gopro, so I don't think we can zoom.
Probably see a very wide, you know, angle of the garden. And then behind is a cable car.
Yeah, so let's go
Yep.
to the cable car. I think we are walking to a cable car, right?
Yep, and to the Egypt garden above.
So which one first?
I think Egypt garden first and then cable car.
Oh. We are waiting to get on the cable car. The line is quite long, but
suburb of Madrid.
I think it's there where it's stopping. Yeah.
Okay, but we're not gonna stop. We're gonna go back. Oh, there's like amusement park. See?
Oh yeah.
This one can't zoom, so I'm not sure whether. But I think, yeah, you can see it. A roller coaster.
Yeah.
Interesting. Madrid has many of the green areas, which is very good.
Yeah. And amusement park. You just spotted it?
Yep.
I spotted it now.
No, we cannot go to Segovia today.
We are heading back to where we started. How long did it take?
10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah, I think.
The most, I think probably the most famous restaurant in Plaza Mayor. We are back again. Plaza Mayor, right there in the square. I just finished eating and we come back to this square. Now we are going to here to do a bit of shopping to buy more bags because we have too many stuff and I don't think it fits.
Okay.
So yeah. So it's time to say goodbye to Plaza Mayor. And look, Matador shirt. I want to do it, but look at this. Those three guys on the roof. I'm doing a little bit of final walk in Madrid. We are just going to walk to the Abertistan and he said right. I can see just a little bit like all the stuff. We take a photo here, then walk there and go back to Intercontinental. Champions League is starting. Real Madrid and Atlético Madrid. Semi-final. I hope Madrid wins.
Yeah, we watched the match on Saturday, Real Madrid and Valencia.
Valencia.
Yes.
In Spanish, Valencia.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we hope we are a big fan of Real Madrid and we hope they win both La Liga League and Champions League,
Yeah.
right? You are also a big fan. And,
Yeah.
and this. Yep.
Yes, I'm like a very big fan of Madrid. I really like it. I don't know why. Like just the first time I see Madrid and Barcelona, I didn't even know those two teams. I was like, Madrid straight away. I don't know why. Yeah, but anyway, bye. Today, and our helper here is called Nueng, and I recommend him because he's like nice and he takes care of us well. And
Yeah, he knows a lot of places.
Yeah.
So he took us to a very good restaurant. He took us around, you know, he knows a lot.
And if you want to find him, you can contact Nueng. Maybe we'll leave a link down below. But if no,
Or, you know, they just can ask us, like leave message to us and we can give them the contact.
yeah. So yeah, he was nice. But now this is the end of the video. So this is our last like touring day at Madrid. It was fun in Madrid, and tomorrow we'll leave. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.